In this quick video, we will do a restore. This is a scenario where you receive a backup file and a storage account and you want to restore it in your Azure SQL Managed Instance. So this is our backup file location. This is the container inside the storage account, and it is 200 MB, which is quite a size. That's the AdventureWorks 2022 backup file. This is the URL of my blob. We will be using Management Studio, the UI, so make sure you have the latest SQL Server Management Studio downloaded and installed. You can always generate the SAS token from there and go the T-SQL way, but here we will just use the UI. Right click on the databases, restore, select the backup device, we'll click on add, and here we will add our storage container as well. Let's sign into our subscription. It should pop up the dialog box for signing into your subscription. I'll select my subscription, select my storage account and the blob container. Let's adjust our shared access policy expiration. So I'll select just 1 day, click OK, and that should also already, yeah, that is looking good as well. Let me click OK. Now you should be able to see the containers. This is my container and this is the backup file. Select your backup file and click OK. Once done, your Management Studio should be able to show you the metadata for your backup file. I'll just scroll through the metadata, and before running the restore, I'll just quickly do a verify backup media, so that just does a restore with verify only. That looks good. Backup media verified successfully. Now I can click OK. The restore has begun. It took me around 4 or 5 minutes to restore this, so I'll quickly fast forward this video. But yeah, this is the quick way of restoring a database from a URL using Management Studio in your Azure SQL Managed Instance. So the restore is successful. In the next video, we will also go ahead and do a backup of the same database. Thanks for watching.